Ever wonder why networkers post their success stories? Yung dating tricycle driver, milyonaryo na ngayon. Yung dating OFW na hindi makauwi-uwi, finally nakauwi na at mas malaki pa ang kinikita ngayon. Di nila ginagawa yan para lang magyabang at mas lalong hindi para lang i-recruit ka. Ginagawa nila yan para ma-inspire ka, para maisip mo na kung kaya nila, mas kaya mo rin. Dito sa Ascendra International, we believe in empowering people to reach their own success. Step by step, with the right guidance, community, and mindset. Success is not luck. It's learning from those who have been there, taking action, and never giving up. So kung gusto mo ring malaman kung paano simulan ang journey mo o gusto mo lang ma-inspire at matuto, follow this page. Dahil dito sa Ascendra International, we don't just celebrate success. We create it.